Mm. Cheers,
Oh,
cheers.
yeah.
Come on, Suya. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Tade is here again.
Yep. I can't get enough of Abeokuta.
Yeah, and we are here to try suya. This is the best suya spot in Abeokuta, and I've shown you several times, and we are here again. I'm here to show Tade what we have here,
Yes.
how tasty the suya is. So we're gonna go inside now. They're preparing it. We're gonna try it. You know it's gonna be awesome now. Let's go in and try some. And I'm gonna show you how they prepare it and everything as well. Guys, we are back again here. The smoke, you see? Ooh, that's the beauty of suya. This is the process and everything. So you're making it and we're ready to eat. And we have cucumber, onions, and everything. Oh my god. Guys, you see? So this is how they make it. You see? You have to slice it in. The other guy is slicing it. Someone is putting it in here. Wow. The liver and heart, they don't dip it inside pepper. They just add salt mixed with some spice or something. Yeah. Now, you know they preheat it, so now it goes here. When you order for it, it's going to add those oil. After adding those oil, you put it back on the fire. Yeah, you see that? Tell me you're not going to eat everything.
Every single thing. Every
Are
single
you enjoying Abeokuta?
thing. This brings back so much memories.
Oh,
And it's very
nice.
nice to see that some of these stores have been there for like 20 plus years.
Yeah,
And are
and
still
still running.
still running very successful. Quality is still the same.
Yeah.
So I like that.
Oh my. Damn, look at that. Oh. At night, people is going to line up here, and you'll see this place. This place will be full.
Crowded.
Oh, come on, buy suya, buy suya, buy suya, buy suya.
5 naira.
No, 100 naira, 1,000, 1,000.
5,000. 5,000.
We sell in dollars, dollars. You bring it. Ooh, come and buy suya, all right? Make sure you come to Iroyin. Come to Iroyin. Ooh, it's hot. Let's go. Come to Iroyin. Come and buy suya. Now it's ready, and he's going to put everything in the newspaper.
Yep. And so the sugar has to be served inside newspaper for maximum experience. If you serve it inside dry place, no, it's going to be nice.
No, it won't be nice. So
That's that extra newspaper flavor to it. So you can really enjoy it.
you see, can you give me one? Woo!
Oh,
It's hot.
see, also can't even wait for it to be.
Ah, mm. Oh, damn! It's delicious. So after everything, they're going to slice onions. After putting onions, cucumber.
Mm.
A little. Yeah, little pepper. I want to taste the originality. Yeah, we'll get there. All right, we're done. We just purchased the soya. Everything is 3,000. The kidney is 500 each. The beef is 1,000 each. So we're done. Let's go and eat. All right, guys, we're here where we are going to eat, and we have a lot of this.
I'm going for the chill. Not for the hot.
It's good now
It's good.
because you are chill already.
Yeah, you're warm. Cheers.
Yeah.
Okay, so we go to the first, have you?
Yes, this is the liver, right? This is the liver and the beef.
I'm going for the beef first. I'm going for the. Oh,
I,
you're going
I'm
combine,
mixing it,
have you?
man. The first bite tells a lot of story now.
Yep.
So you use you put. I'm gonna put onions.
Oh.
Come on. Yeah, with the cucumber. Full package. Cheers,
Okay.
cheers.
Cheers.
Mm. Mm.
Mm.
Mm.
Mm.
It's a little bit chewy.
Mm-hmm.
It's chewy, but nice. I can feel everything, man.
Mm.
Wash it down with origin beer.
Mm.
Mm.
I'll look back at this video when I'm in Canada and I'll cry
Why?
because I can't get this.
It's not possible. You
It's not
can't-
as authentic.
Oh my god.
It's too late to be sure it's fresh.
I swear.
Dry free.
It's everything.
More. It's a story. Mm.
Mm. Mm.
Mm.
You know, you get some feeling sometimes when you start eating something
Mm.
and you'll be like, can I eat this all day?
I can't eat this all week.
You see? Can you hear that?
All week.
Mm.
Yeah. And it's not authentic as it was saying it.
Mm.
And to be honest, this one here tastes better than when I had in Kano State. You know, people might come for me. Tastes better than when I had.
Seriously.
I'm telling you.
Maybe you not go to the best of the best. Or what do you
That is one
think?
in front of the governor's house, governor's office.
Mm.
Kano State, University of Suya.
University of Suya.
Mm-hmm.
And it's not as good as this.
Mm-hmm.
You loving it, right?
Mm-hmm. And if you come back to people,
Oh, sorry, man. Inside the bad cold.
not your plate.
Mm. It's good for you.
Oh, yeah.
That's why you are fresh.
This packaging, I don't even fresh in real life. Oh, yeah.
It's very fresh, though.
I look like a mess in real life.
So he told me something. He said he wanted to travel by road. I said, oh, man, you don't travel by road. You travel by road, your ransom, they'll be asking for like 50 million. They kidnap you. The security is bad in Nigeria.
Yeah. So definitely the cities are safe, but the roads in the cities are not safe.
Yeah,
So you cannot fly somewhere, don't go that way. And flying is also very expensive.
very expensive now. Extremely expensive. When you want to fly now, you're paying like times three of what we're paying before.
But you did that for the kidnapping and pay
Yes.
ransom.
It's very rolling.
Railway,
Sugar sport.
airport.
You need to come, man. Oh my god.
I feel bloated already. Bro. Let me just get more gist for the subscribers. What's in for them next year?
Next year is gonna be awesome because I've been having a little break. I can call it a break because I've not been uploading like every 2 days. Just like I do upload before. Right now, after December, January or so, from February, I'm known for audio content. Okay, so you guys are gonna have a lot of audio content, and not just in Nigeria. I'll be traveling as well.
Oh, so okay, so which country are you going to?
Tanzania is booked.
So Tanzania, they're waiting
Yeah,
for you.
the Azabi tribe. The Azabi tribe. I'm
You heard it
checking
here
them.
first.
So I've never disclosed this, so you're hearing it on his
Exclusive.
channel for the first time. So
One month are you going?
1 month after their raining season, we don't have the same weather. So after their raining season, I'm definitely going there,
Okay.
and there will be a lot of hunting as well. Yeah, and street food. So don't worry, I'm gonna travel a lot. We're done here, and it doesn't want to stay long. So
Yeah, it's a day trip. I have to make.
I wish it's gonna stay longer. There are still places we're gonna check out, but it doesn't want to.
I want to
But
buy
no
cars.
problem. The next time he's around, we're gonna create awesome content.
Definitely.
We're gonna go to different places. So just book like a week, please.
No matter.
Now we can hit very well. Go
Tanzania.
around, yes, go swimming, go check the pool. Thank you guys. I'm gonna see you in another video. Have a lovely day. Subscribe to his channel, please. I'm gonna put it in the description box. Please subscribe to his channel. Let him grow, grow, grow like you know now.